Hi, I'm Kevin. I just got off the brand new Blizzard Latigo. I give this ski 4.5 out of 5 stars. It really surprised me. It's got metal in it like the Brahma. It's 78, a little bit narrower, and for a front side ripping flat ski, this thing was outstanding. It really caught me off guard at first. I really didn't expect it to be able to load up and get the ski to pop as much as it did. It really just, I mean, this thing flew, super stable, solid edge grip. Really lively. So for a front side ripper that wants something that's light and lively and stable, this is your bowl to ride.